In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlink Facebook from Free Fire. Before we get started with the video, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Now to get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Facebook on your device. Make sure you're signed into your account and head over to the menu section of Facebook by clicking on the menu button at the top right corner of your screen. In this area, go ahead and scroll down and look for settings and privacy. So once you click on the settings and privacy, you'll be able to find the settings button. So click on settings and privacy and click on settings and you get redirected to the Facebook settings page. On the Facebook settings page, you'll be able to find different settings for your Facebook account. So just go ahead and scroll down in this section and look for the Your Activity section. Now, under the Your Activity section, click on Apps and Websites. Under Apps and Website, you'll be able to find all the application connected or linked to your Facebook account. What you can do in here is to just go ahead and scroll down and look for the Free Fire application. Click on that application, and on that application, click on the Remove button to successfully remove the connection between your Facebook account and your Free Fire account. And that is how you can simply unlink Facebook from Free Fire.